Enhance your rustic farmhouse with Japanese Zen Courtyard Designs for ultimate serenity. Enhance your rustic farmhouse with Japanese Zen Courtyard Designs for ultimate serenity, and step into a world where the cozy, welcoming charm of rustic farmhouses seamlessly blends with the delicate, balanced tranquility of Japanese Zen. By combining the warmth of farmhouse styles with the serene aesthetic of Japanese-inspired design, you can transform your home into a sanctuary of peace and simplicity. This fusion creates spaces that are not only beautiful, but also functional and inviting, offering a retreat from the chaos of everyday life. Transform your home with tranquil designs by embracing natural elements such as bamboo accents, reclaimed wood, and minimalist decor. These elements help to redefine your living spaces and promote a sense of calm and order. Imagine seamless indoor-outdoor transitions facilitated by traditional Japanese sliding doors, pathways lined with stones and greenery, and calming elements like water features or a small Zen garden. Whether you're creating a tranquil courtyard to enjoy quiet mornings, or a Zen-inspired reading nook to escape with a book, these design concepts will guide you in crafting cohesive spaces that invite relaxation and mindfulness. Uniting farmhouse charm with Zen minimalism involves a thoughtful approach to every room in your home. In the bedroom, choose natural textures like cotton or linen for bedding, and use soft, muted tones to create a calming atmosphere. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like escape with simple, elegant fixtures and the soothing presence of natural materials. Your entryway can become a beacon of serenity with carefully chosen decor items that reflect both styles. Throughout, use multifunctional furniture to ensure spaces remain uncluttered, marrying farmhouse practicality with Zen simplicity. Redefine your home with thoughtful design by embracing the harmonious beauty of Japanese Zen principles combined with rustic farmhouse aesthetics. Whether you're searching for a cozy spot to read, an inviting courtyard for gatherings, or a serene home office, this integration offers unparalleled calmness and beauty. Let the video inspire you with design ideas that not only elevate the look of your home, but also enhance your lifestyle by creating environments that foster peace and elegance. Don't miss out on more design inspirations by subscribing to our channel, sharing your thoughts in the comments, and hitting the like button to show love for these transformative ideas. Through these thoughtful designs, you can truly make your home a reflection of ultimate serenity.